Hey y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I have a covered porch that I'm getting ready to make a little bit more cozy and inviting. I want to add just a little bit of greenery, a little detail to my space, but I'm not really interested in hanging plants at this point. So I found these beaded wreath rings at the Dollar Tree. If you place one inside the other and use the bottom or top connecting piece in the same area, then you can run some floral wire through that area and secure it really nice, and it makes the most adorable sphere. I want something on my porch that's a little bit of a design element and also brings in some greenery. But like I said, I am not interested in hanging plants or anything live because the sun is not conducive for that. I get really busy in the summer. Watering is an issue because I work many hours in the summertime. And so this is just not going to work for me to have anything live on this back porch area. I took a styrofoam ball. It comes in a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree, and I cut it in half, and then I wired that onto the bottom of the sphere, because once I cover this, then you're not going to see the wire and you're not going to see where I have connected it with the wire. I'm going to use some reindeer moss to cover this little styrofoam piece with some hot glue. I'm not going to use a lot because it doesn't need a lot, and also our summers here in Southwest Missouri are viciously hot, and so I don't want anything to interrupt the integrity of my little sphere. I put reindeer moss on the top and the bottom, kind of patted that in, and then I am going to add in some beautiful faux greenery. I had purchased greenery at the Dollar Tree. It's been a while. I think at that time it was still $1.25. It has gone up to $1.75, but the greenery looks realistic. However, it is plastic. I think there are other stores where you can probably purchase some plastic type greenery that has a very pretty look to it without spending $1.75 for a smaller piece. I did take some antique wax and kind of rubbed over the beads so that it would look a little bit worn, a little rustic, and give it a little bit of a different color just to darken it up a little bit, and maybe it wouldn't have that light raw wood look that the beaded rings have. I have seen the beaded wire wreath at Dollar Tree in different colors. I try to buy them. Number one, they're a very good way to build up your bead collection. And also, if you do find them in different colors, then you can just create so many beautiful things with these beaded wire wreaths. You can also paint these wood bead wreath rings, but I did not find it to be necessary. I kind of liked the look of the wood. I just wanted it a little bit warmer toned, but the weather, the elements are going to warm that up for me anyway, so I thought I would just start off with maybe just a little bit of a different tone. But I'm going to clip these little plastic ferns apart and push them down into the styrofoam. While you're here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video, and give this video a thumbs up, because if I do anything, I show y'all, and my hope is that you take inspiration from an idea that I had and create something even more beautiful and fabulous for yourself. I'm not going to overload this sphere with a lot of greenery. You could use florals if you wanted to. I'm just going to use greenery just to bring that element in that maybe a hanging basket would give without having to water anything. But I don't care if it's sparse. I don't need it to be full. But you can put as many plants, greenery, florals in this that you would like. Everybody has their own taste. Everybody is different, and that's what makes us unique and special. A lot of my neighbors do faux gardening, and they have beautiful florals in their flower pots. I just haven't got to that place where I feel comfortable doing that just yet. So I'm going to start with just a little design piece with some faux plastic greenery. I'm going to start there, and then I may venture on into some more faux gardening. I use some twine to tie the two pieces that connect on the top. I double knotted it, and then I used a little bit of that twine to make a hanger so that I can hang this up. I did make 3 of these spheres. I thought that they would look so pretty with different textures, different florals, and different colors. I used some succulents, and I tried to tie it in just a little bit so that it looked cohesive. But these are going to look so cute in my covered porch area, hanging up in various different lengths, and I really liked the way that they turned out. Thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.